Hey, bread friends, it's me being lazy on my couch again. Well, I'm not really being lazy, but, well, I wasn't being lazy a minute ago. I just sat down. If you wonder what this is, it's one of those airplane neck pillows. It's a piggy, but I put it behind my head like this. Anyway, and I'm just holding the iPad in my hand, so I might be a little wiggly jiggly. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Today is 2 days after Thanksgiving 2022. In case you're watching this, like 6 months from now or longer. And I just want to say that I hope you had an amazing, wonderful Thanksgiving. For my family, this was the first time we had a real Thanksgiving with family and a friend or two, since 2019. And hoping and praying that no one was sick, no one had COVID. My 90-year-old dad, we worry. We're still masking in public. But anyway, but now it's ready for those of us or those of you who celebrate holidays in the winter, whether it's Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or anything. I'm not sure when Eid is, and I don't think it's time for Ramadan. But anyway, whatever you celebrate, it's time to possibly start baking. And I hope that I can help you with your baking. And last year, I made a recipe for panettone, which is an Italian Christmas bready, cakey thing. It's absolutely incredible. It has different dried and candied fruits in it. And I made it for the first time last year, and I had actually never tasted it before because, me with my nut allergies, I can't just buy things from a bakery or from Costco and eat them. If they're not safe for me, which they never are, then I can't eat them. So I made the panettone, and oh my goodness, I fell madly in love with it. I couldn't stop eating it. And it was a very popular video last year. So if you are relatively new, like a year or less to my channel, you might want to check out the panettone video. You bake it in a big paper cylinder type deal, and it's like a big, gorgeous crown thing. It's absolutely beautiful, and oh, it is so delicious. If you've ever eaten an eggy bread, it's like eggy, dried fruit, sweet, but it's not quite cake, and it's not quite bread, and I don't know how else I can describe it, but oh, it is a magnificent, magnificent thing to behold, and even better to eat. So I hope you check out that video. Of course, there are all the standard things like my pull-apart rolls that so many of you told me you made for your Thanksgiving feasts, and the Hawaiian rolls, the dinner rolls made for my master butter dough, anything you need. I am going to be making a new video hopefully soon. I have a plan, but this coming week is a little busy on my schedule. So I may not get to it for a week, but here's a hint. If you like sesame seeds, it'll be something you really, really like. So anyway, like I said, I just wanted to say happy after Thanksgiving, and happy holidays that are coming up, whatever you celebrate. Obviously, we don't all celebrate Christmas. We don't all celebrate Hanukkah. We don't all celebrate any one holiday. So remember, this is a time to be generous of spirit in the fact that not everybody believes what you believe. And I'm not going to get preachy. I don't do that. But I personally always say happy holidays because I don't know what the person I'm saying it to celebrates. And when people tell me Merry Christmas and I don't celebrate it, I think, well, do you really assume that everybody in the world celebrates Christmas? So that's my little soapbox thing, but I'll get off now. So happy almost December. Happy getting that holiday baking in, whatever you're baking. And anytime you have a question, shoot me a comment here. If you have Facebook, go into Messenger, not a friend request, But Messenger and type in Ellen Walker Hoffman. Send me a private message. I guarantee I will answer you amazingly quickly. I mean, unless I'm asleep or at a doctor's appointment, I always answer quickly. So, love you guys. Turning this off.